Alright, so today we're going to be installing these ISC Suspension Coilover covers. They're about 160 Canadian, and they shouldn't be that hard because it's like I just take off the wheel, undo the Velcro and just put it around it, so it shouldn't be too hard. They've included some zip ties. That should help. And so yeah, it's just going to be basically taking off the wheel. I'm going to clean off the coilovers and then just slap these things on, put the wheel back on, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get to it. So first we're going to jack up the car. I'm going to lift the whole front of the car up first and then just do the two front wheels first. And I also I got the handbrake up, and I have two blocks of wood behind the wheels there, just for added safety. And then, so yeah, let's jack it up. So I just jacked it up, and I realized after I jacked it up, I needed to loosen the lug nuts. So I got to put it back down, loosen them, and then I'll jack it back up. So I jacked my car back up and took off the wheel, and I put it under my car there just because I like to do that for a little added safety. And so now I'm gonna clean off the coilover. As you can see, it is disgusting. So I'm gonna clean that off and then put the coilover cover on, and then throw the wheel back on, and then go to the next one. So yeah. So I don't fully know how to clean it, so I just sprayed it with some like wheel cleaner, and then I'm gonna like power wash it off a bit, like not too much, just a bit, and then I'll dry it off, get any leftover gook off of it, and then yeah. So I power washed it, and it looks better, that's for sure. So now I have some microfibers here. Come on, focus. I have some microfibers here, and I'm just gonna dry it off, clean it up a bit, and then I'll throw the covers on. So I wiped it all off. It looks much cleaner now, as you can see, and all that stuff that's just like leftover anti-seize, so I'm gonna reapply some of that now, just so there's no rust or anything, so when I want to slam it in the summer, it'll be good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. So now I'm gonna wrap this cover around there, which shouldn't be bad. It just velcros like that, and then slip it over. Looks good. Let's start velcroing the. Actually, you know what? Let's do it like this, and I'll spin it after. That'll be easier. Do that. Velcro that all together. Pretty tight fit. I guess that's what you want, because you don't want your wheels rubbing up against them. Try and spin it around, let's see. So I have the zip ties. I don't think it's gonna need them. Like I might be okay without them, but just to be sure, we're just gonna do this. They're pretty tight already, so we're probably good, but just in case, just being safe. One there. Then we'll put one like there, or there, I don't really know. So here's the final look. Looks pretty good. The fitment is on point. I'm sure there won't be any issues with fitment. Like, I don't think it'll be touching my wheel or anything. And yeah, I'm happy with it. Looks good. Should protect it nicely. So now we're gonna throw the wheel back on and then repeat that whole process on the other side. But overall, it was pretty easy install, and yeah, pretty happy with it. So that's how it looks on the car. Basically like little snow pants. Little coilover snow pants for the car. Prevent rust and stuff, and yeah. Fitment's good, no rubbing or anything, and yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.